Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to copy your text in Google Sheets. So I have three ways that you can actually copy your text. In this column, you'll see that I wrote hello 3 times. And in this column, I have written the shortcuts or how to go and access this feature. So the first way I'm going to show you is you can actually make sure that your text is selected in the box. So you see how there's a blue line around it. I am then going to right click and I'm going to go down to the second option where it says copy. The little picture icon looks like little pieces of paper. And so copy. Once I copy that into my clipboard, you'll see that the blue line has changed to something that's dotted and or dashed. And so that means that that text has been copied. The next way is going to be for people that are window users. As far as I don't know what the shortcut is on like Mac software. And so you'll actually hit Control C. And when you do that, you'll see the same thing happens. That means that the text has been copied. Now, the last way is a little bit longer of a way, but I think this works best for people that probably don't have an access to a mouse or have an access to a keyboard at the time for whatever device they're using. You can go up to Edit in the main menu, and you can go down to that same copy, which is for the fourth icon, and it looks exactly like how it looks when we right click. And that is the three ways that you can use the copying feature in your Google Sheets. If you found this video to be helpful, please check out my other videos. You might find those to be helpful as well. Thank you. Bye.